Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Sierra AT4, power windows, locks and mirrors, AT4 branded on the door, memory seating, power locks and windows, 4x4, integrated trailer braking system, as well as driving mode, trailer mode, automatic headlights and fog lights, your heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters on the reverse side, push button ignition. Now the big tab there, you have over 13-inch touchscreen with the Google operating system, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay both available. Vehicle has the automatic shifter knob in the center console, your integrated trailer braking system, wireless charging. Vehicle has the all black interior with Bose performance audio and our black leather heated and ventilated Sierra seating, Kalahari inserts, and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, color-matched door handles and keyless entry, AT4 on the front door, 6.2-liter plaque on the front fender. The AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for those big wheel and tire packages. We have the redesigned front headlights, grille, and bumper as well, fog lights, red to hook signature for the AT4. We have parking sensors, a camera system, LED daytime running lamps, and turn signals. Making our way back down the crew cab here, rear tinted privacy windows. At the back of the truck, color matched rear bumper, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, GM MultiPro tailgate as well. Jumping into the interior here, second row, a leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. We both have end seats with in-seat storage feature, sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.